Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how can we do edit the format of the text on a Google Sheet as well as add the hyperlink on the cells. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Sheets application, and now you have to find the documents first to edit or to add the format of the text. For example, I would like to have this, and let's do formatting or do text formatting. Okay, so here you just need to decide which text that you do a formattings. For example, I would like to edit this text. Okay, and after that, if you want to make this text going bold, since this is the titles for each tables, so you just need to see on this bottom features here, and if you want to make it bold, you just need to click this, and then the format of this text is going to be bold compared to the previously. And if you want to change the color of this text, you just need to go click the next side of this P, and you can choose which color that you want to add to. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to go click in the documents. Okay, and if you want to change the positions of this text, you just need to go click this. Either you want to make it like in the right side or in the middle side. Okay, so that's all for to do a text formatting. You can also click this to explore more about the text. If you want to make this more going italic, you just need to go click I, or if you want to have it underlined for each words, click this. So if you want to explore more, you just need to go scrolling down and do whatever you want. If you want to change the fonts too, you just need to go click font and choose what font that you want to add to. Okay, so after that, and now let's move into add the hyperlink. How to add the hyperlink? Okay, let's say we want to add a link into this D cells. You just need to click the cells that you want to put the links to, and after that you just need to go click plus button, and now here you can see that here will be appear a link. Just need to click it, and after that you just need to go click in the link. Now insert the link. Make sure that you already copied the link on your phone, and after that you just need to click paste, and now you can just click sources as the type tool, and after you're done, you just need to go click done. Now you already have the sources, but then after you click it, it will be go into the link that you already add into this. So that's all the way how to do a text format as well as add the link on the Google Sheet. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.